$2,48,000 കൊടുക്കാനായിട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞു 318Tയിൽ നിന്ന്. അത് എൻ്റെ കഴിവൊന്നുമല്ല, 318Tയിലെ മെമ്പർമാരുടെ ഉദാരമായ കോൺട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ്റെ ഫലമായിരുന്നു. ഇന്നും ഏറ്റവും സന്തോഷത്തോടുകൂടി ഞാനിവിടെ നിൽക്കുന്നത്, ഇന്ന് 30-ൽ കൂടുതൽ മെമ്പേഴ്സ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് 318Tയിൽ നിന്ന് LCFലേക്ക് കോൺട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഇന്നിവിടെ എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Honored and humbled with this wonderful opportunity to once again meet all of you on this wonderful occasion of second fundraiser of this Lions Year in this multiple. Congratulations and thank you for what you have done this Lions Year, for the numbers that were explained by our MD LCIF coordinator Dr. Rajiv. The numbers that were projected were not small in numbers. 460,000 is what we are likely to be anywhere by the end of this day. That's what you said, Rajiv, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's about $460,000. 83% of our goal. I know our goal is pretty high this year. The intent is simple. Our foundation's intention is to make every line a habit of giving small donations to our foundations.
As I was sitting, I was listening to the noise and realized it had started to rain. And so I thought that was very serendipitous, because soon it will be raining money, I think. So I'd like to congratulate all of you on the hard work that you've done and the growth of your donations to LCIF over the past few years. I was very impressed with all of the data that was presented. And it reminded me of, usually every year I will travel to Japan. And I think many of you know that Japan is the largest donor country historically to LCIF. All of the funds that Japan has donated make up about 1/3 of the donations LCF has received.
Telephone past Governor Das Mankadi of 318C. He lives in Cochin. Sir, I would like to come and meet you. He said, who are you? So he said, I am so and so from Changanassery. Venkatachalam and Vinny should make note of that. If you contact Das Mankadi, he will tell you. I am from a place called Changanassery. I want to come and meet you in person. He said, I am living in Cochin. You are living in Changanassery. Why do you want to come and meet me? I want to come and meet you to say a thank you, big thank you to you. He said, why you should say a big thank you to you? Thank you to me. My son is studying in a government school. For the last couple of years, he is unable to read the blackboard. So daily teacher will scold him. Unfortunately, he was not given a seat in the front. Lions of 318B, Changanassery, conducted a screening called Sight for Kids. And my son was provided with new spectacles.